Hi guys, Alvin Francisco, also known as Carnuba Wax Boy. Welcome to my channel. Alright, in this video, we're gonna unbox Russell Westbrook's 0.2 Why Not on the Game. So I'm gonna show you yung box, yung dope ass box. Unbox natin. You'll see this black paper along with this white paper, and then boom, the monster. Wow. When I first saw this shoe, I was really amazed kasi sobrang bright yung colors. More like of 90s or 80s vibe kasi nung 80s more bright colors. So yun. Alright, so before na makalimutan ko pa, big shout out kay Alvin Yu and sa wife niya para sa hookup. I really do appreciate it. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, sa toe cap, you'll see this Why Not. Alright, and then you will see this 3M elephant print. Sobrang na-amaze ako kasi yung sa first Why Not edition, colorway, hindi siya 3M. Okay, so sa toe box, meron siyang mesh material with desert camo print. Okay, and on this side, meron siyang elephant print. Same as the black cement trees. On the tongue part, meron siyang tiger camo print, mesh design. And up here, meron siyang naka-emboss sa upper part ng tongue. And then there's this tag with the Jumpman logo. Okay, so napaka-bright ng color. So on this part, sa ankle support, plastic, there's this Jumpman logo. And there's this army camo mesh material here. On this side, meron siyang fuchsia, more of like a carbon fiber look, side strap, and there's this plastic to hold the laces. Okay, multicolored sole, and it also has this purple shank, and then meron siyang Zoom Air. Alright. And very unique because yung size tag nasa labas, normally located here sa loob ng shoe. And then meron siyang shield logo RRS KB3 RNN, and then yung logo ni Russell Westbrook. Okay, so moving here sa likod, sa heel part, there's this tag with Russell Westbrook autograph and Russell Westbrook logo. And pretty much sobrang kapit ng sole or sa traction. And ayun, pretty much that's it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The Russell Westbrook Why Not 0.2 Owned the Game by Jordan Brand. Balik tayo sa box. Nuha ko 10.5 kasi hindi na available yung 11. Okay, so sinukat ko na siya and saktong-sakto yung fit. And then hindi ko pa siya nagagamit panlaro. Kasi gagamitin ko siya sa Sykes basketball tournament to defend our title. Ayan. Okay guys, bago ko makalimutan, meron pala siyang tag dito. So I just wanna show you guys how cool this is. Okay, so meron siyang 8 stars. I guess this represents how many times Russell Westbrook plays in an All-Star game. And it also indicates the significance of each colorway. And meron siyang 2 gold stars. Not sure if MVP siya nung time na yun. And then 6 silver stars. Okay, so ayan. Alright, so medyo mainit dito sa loob. Medyo pinagpapawisan na ako. Ayan. So if you like this video, guys, hit like and subscribe. And I would really appreciate if you could share this video. Until next time. Peace out.